Hello students, today I send you MS Word 6th class. This is paragraph group. Question number 25. What is alignment? MS Word gives you a choice of several types of alignments. Left alignment, that is left aligned text is flows with the left margin of the document and is the default setting. Right alignment. Right aligned text is flows with the text margin of the document. Center alignment. Center aligned text is centered between the left and right margins. And the last one is the justified alignment. Justified text is flows with both the left and right margins. So generally four types of alignment. How can we set it? Select the text to be aligned. Click on the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the Align Text left, right, center or Justify button, or use the keyboard shortcut. For left alignment, Ctrl plus L. For right alignment, Ctrl plus R. For center alignment, Ctrl plus E. Justify alignment, Ctrl plus J. I give an example here. Vivekananda. This is left alignment. Vivekananda, the text. This is center alignment. And Vivekananda, the text, it is right alignment. Here I show you three types of alignment. And justify. Justified text is flows with both the left and right margins. Now I want to show you. Look at here. This is an blank document in MS Word. Look at here. Document 1 MS Word. I type here Vivekananda. 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 If I select this text at first, then go to the Home tab. Under the paragraph group, here it is the left alignment, it is the center alignment, it is the align text right, and the last one, it is a justify alignment. I show you one by one. If I click on the center alignment, automatically Vivekananda, the text placed at the center position of your page. If I click on the align text right, automatically Vivekananda, the text placed at the right side of your page. So the last one is the justified alignment. At first I copy the text from this here. Justified text is a flows with both left and right margins. Copy the text at first. Already you know that Ctrl plus C is the copy. Select the text at first and press the Ctrl plus C from the keyboard. Go to the blank page, and if I click on that particular page and press the Ctrl plus V and select the text, go to the Home tab. Already I here Home tab, and select the justify alignment. What happened? The text is placed between the same distance of each word. Look at here, justified text. Text is flows, maintain the gap. Each text maintain in a same or equal distance. So justified text, look at the justified text. Align text to both the left and right margin, adding extra space between words as necessary. Look at very carefully. All the all the text, justified, text, is, plus, with, maintain the equal distance between the two words. Now I go to the next question. How to select a line? Place the mouse pointer to the left of a line and click the left mouse button once to select that line only. How to select a line? Place the mouse pointer to the left of a line. Now go to the documentation page. Look at here. Left mouse. Look at very carefully. Look at very carefully. It is the left position. If I single click on that particular position at a time, all the sentence selected at a time by using a single click. Now go to the next question. How to select a paragraph? Place the mouse pointer to the left of the paragraph and double click the left mouse button to select the entire paragraph. Suppose it is a paragraph. If I place this mouse pointer here, simply double click on it at a time, your whole paragraph must be selected. Look at again. If I mouse pointer place this here and simply double click on it at a time, your whole paragraph must be selected. Go to the next question. How to select the whole document? Place the mouse pointer to the left of the paragraph and quickly click the left mouse button 3 times to select the entire document. Look at here. Again I go there. It is the position. If I click 3 times at a time, look at carefully. At a time you must be selected. Amazing thing. Just simply 3 times you click on the left mouse button on any sentence, automatically the entire document must be selected. Or you may follow here, simply Ctrl plus A, it also be selected at a time in your whole document. Now go to the next question. How to set line spacing? Line spacing set the amount of space between lines within a paragraph. The spacing for each line is set to accommodate the largest font on that line. Look at carefully. Line spacing sets the amount of space between lines within a paragraph. Place the cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Suppose I place here. Click on the home tab. If I go to the home tab, in the paragraph group, click on the line spacing button, a drop down menu option appears. Set an appropriate spacing 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0 as you like. For example, look at here. For example, line spacing sets the amount of space between lines within a paragraph. The spacing for each line is set to accommodate the largest font on that line. It is an example of 1.5. The same sentence. Look at here. If I select here, press Ctrl plus C, then go to the documentation page. If I paste it, look at here. If I paste it, the sentence must be pasted here. If I select the sentence, the 2 sentences at a time, and go to the paragraph group, this is line spacing. Change the spacing between lines of text. Click on here. Look at very carefully. The sentence can maintain 1.15. gap between the two sentences. So if I click on the 3.0, automatically the sentence must be followed 3 lines gap between the two sentences inside the paragraph. Now if I want to remove the extra space after the paragraph, that means this is the extra space after the paragraph, this extra space must be removed. If I click on it, automatically extra space must be removed after the paragraph. Look at again, if I add here, add the space after the paragraph, automatically you can add this sentence. And if I add before the paragraph, must maintain the before space before it start the line. Now I go the next sentence. The next question is here, how to shade a paragraph. Shading. A background shade can be applied to a given paragraph by using the shading option. Select the paragraph, click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the shading button. Click on any color from the drop down list. For example, here I write here computer science. Then after the shading, computer science must be shaded background the blue color. Select the paragraph, follow it again, select the paragraph, click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the shading option. Look at here. At first I open the documentation page. Look at here. If I shade this two sentence, look at here, inside the paragraph group, it is the shading. So colored the background behind the selected text or paragraph. If I click on it and select any color, suppose I select the blue color, look at here, automatically the sentence shaded behind the blue color. Thanks to all everyone. Please follow it.